Salam Dr. Zakir Naik. I am Hilal from Pakistan. Walaikum Assalam. I am a big fan of you and I have learned so much from your videos on YouTube. I want to get permission to re-upload your videos on my YouTube channel so people will be benefited from those videos because your videos are full of knowledge, and I want to get permission to earn money from that on YouTube. Please sir, give me permission. Thank you. The brother from Pakistan has asked a question that can he upload my YouTube videos and can he earn from it. Basically all my material, whether books, whether booklets, whether videos have got no copyright, you are most welcome. You only tell them don't edit it, don't add your own into it. So if anyone uploads my video on his YouTube, there's no problem at all. What some people do is that when I upload on my channel, maybe in a few days it reaches about 500,000. What they do, they take the same video for my channel and then they may add something with it, with a photograph of an actress. Dr. Zakir Naik speaks on Aishwarya Rai. Who's Aishwarya Rai? I did not know. I googled up and came to know she's an actress. I did not speak. What they do to attract people. So my video reaches 500,000 in few days. They upload it later on. Theirs reaches 1 million. Anyway, doing all these things according to me is haram. I don't complain and take it out. And they earn more money by this. I said, you earn the money, I will earn the sawab. Because of your thing which is haram, people are watching my video. You get the money. I am not complaining. I'll get the sawab. So there's no copyright. Many people do this. As far as you're concerned, brother, don't do these activities. It's not Islamic. But you want to upload the videos, no problem. Please don't edit it. You earn money. I've got no problem. We will never red flag it. We'll never go to YouTube and say that is our video unless someone has altered or manipulated. My videos are copyright free, because of which the viewer on my channel is less. I'm aware of that. Because we have uploaded only 1,880 videos as of few days back. 1,880 videos. Actually, when you Google and see top Dr. Zakir Naik, you will get at least 12 to 14 million, out of which, websites, etc. If you check videos, 9 million. That means there are 9 million videos of mine available according to Google search. Mostly on the YouTube and other social media. 9 million. How many have we uploaded? Less than 2,000. That means 4,500 times more. Other people have 4,500 times. In percentage wise, 450,000% more. So why should I object? They are giving me sawab. Some are doing haram by doing certain things. They are getting audience from me. I get the sawab. They get the money. Some people are doing for earning but not doing haram. I have got no objection at all. So if you want to use my videos, I give you permission. Don't tamper with it. Please keep it and see to it that the quality is good. Now most of our new videos on YouTube are high quality, some on high definition, some on 4K. Maintain the quality. I'll be thankful to you.